You thought the Ford Mustang couldn't get any wilder? Think again. The 2026 Ford Mustang Camper Motorhome takes America's iconic muscle car and transforms it into something completely unexpected, a powerhouse on wheels that doubles as your home away from home. Let's dive into what makes this one of the most daring and fascinating automotive mashups of the year. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Mustang Camper grabs attention like no other. The bold, muscular lines of the classic Mustang are still there, but the rear has been seamlessly integrated with a sleek camper module. It's not bulky or awkward, instead, it looks futuristic and aerodynamic, blending sports car aggression with travel-ready functionality. The front retains the signature Mustang grille and tri-bar LED lights, while the camper section features panoramic windows and a retractable roof for extra headroom and ventilation. Under the hood, the performance still screams Mustang. Ford has equipped this beast with a hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine producing around 480 horsepower, paired with an advanced electric motor for torque assist. The result: smooth power delivery, impressive towing capacity, and surprisingly efficient fuel consumption for something that can house two people comfortably. It's fast, powerful, and smart thanks to the all-wheel drive system and adaptive terrain management that automatically adjusts for highways, dirt roads, or mountain climbs. Inside, the Mustang Camper redefines compact luxury. Step through the rear and you'll find a smartly designed interior that maximizes every inch of space. There's a fold-out bed, a mini kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, and even a collapsible dining area. The materials feel premium: vegan leather seats, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting inspired by Mustang's signature red glow. There's also a built-in solar system on the roof to power your electronics when you're off-grid. Tech-wise, Ford didn't hold back. The main cabin features a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync 5 system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus voice command integration for both driving and living functions. You can literally say, "Hey Ford, start camping mode," and it will level the suspension, extend the roof panel, and switch the lighting to cozy amber tones. Safety hasn't been ignored either. It includes 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving feature. For long trips, that's a game changer. It lets you enjoy the road while the system does most of the work. But perhaps the real magic lies in how it drives. Despite the camper setup, the 2026 Mustang Camper still feels agile and responsive. The suspension is re-engineered with air-adjustable dampers to handle both sharp turns and rough roads. It's not just about speed anymore, it's about freedom. The Mustang Camper is built for adventurers who want to feel the thrill of a sports car and the comfort of a home in one stunning package. It's a symbol of bold innovation, a vehicle that refuses to fit into one category. Whether you're hitting Route 66 or camping under the stars, the 2026 Ford Mustang Camper Motorhome promises one thing: you'll never blend in with the crowd. It's wild, it's functional, and it's pure Mustang spirit with a twist.